Hello everyone, welcome to Quiz Marble. Today, we're diving deep into the wild and wonderful animal kingdom with 40 fun and challenging questions that will test your brain power and your love for animals. Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Marble channel for more exciting quizzes. Get ready to guess, learn, and have a blast. Grab a notebook or keep track in your head and see how many you can get right. Let's begin! Which animal can sleep while standing? The answer is seahorse. What's the only mammal that can truly fly? The answer is A, bat. Which animal has the longest pregnancy? The answer is A, elephant. Which bird can fly backward? The answer is B, hummingbird. What's the fastest land animal? The answer is C, cheetah. Which sea creature has 3 hearts? The answer is A, octopus. Which animal never sleeps? The answer is B, bullfrog. Which animal can regrow lost limbs? The answer is B, starfish. Which animal has blue blood? The answer is C, octopus. What's the largest species of shark? The answer is C, whale shark. Which insect can carry 50 times its body weight? The answer is B, ant. Which animal can see behind itself? The answer is B, chameleon. What's the largest land carnivore? The answer is A, polar bear. Which mammal lays eggs? The answer is B, platypus. Which animal has the most powerful bite? The answer is B, crocodile. What's the loudest animal on Earth? The answer is D, sperm whale. Which animal changes color to blend in? The answer is B, chameleon. Which animal can live the longest? The answer is B, Galapagos tortoise. Which bird has the largest wingspan? The answer is A, albatross. Which animal's heart is in its head? The answer is B, shrimp. By the way, if you're having fun so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps more animal lovers find this quiz. And I'd love to know how many you got right, so drop your score in the comments below. Let's see who's the ultimate Animal Kingdom champion. Which animal can walk on water? The answer is A, basilisk lizard. What's the largest living reptile? The answer is B, crocodile. Which animal can survive in space? The answer is A, tardigrade. Which bird can't fly but runs very fast? The answer is B, ostrich. Which fish can inflate like a balloon? The answer is B, blowfish. Which animal is known for laughing sounds? The answer is B, hyena. Which sea creature shoots ink to escape? The answer is A, squid. Which animal uses its tail to hang from trees? The answer is A, monkey. Which animal is the largest of all time? The answer is A, blue whale. Which insect dances to communicate? The answer is A, bee. Which mammal has the most teeth? The answer is C, giant armadillo. Which animal has the strongest memory? The answer is B, elephant. Which animal can taste with its feet? The answer is A, butterfly. Which bird can mimic human speech? The answer is B, parrot. Which sea animal sleeps with one eye open? The answer is D, dolphin. Which animal has the heaviest brain? The answer is B, whale. Which insect produces silk? The answer is D, silkworm. Which fish can climb waterfalls? The answer is A, salmon. Which animal's fingerprints are almost identical to humans? The answer is B, koala. Which animal can hold its breath the longest? The answer is C, whale. If you enjoy quizzes like this, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss a chance to test your knowledge. See you next time!